There were no stars in the sky for him, no silver lining. Every waking up was a disappointment that life continues. Every going to bed was an escape from the pain. He wished it all away. The struggle, the process. He moved through each day in a numb frenzy. He almost questioned why Father allowed this. Strength still cut through his young bones, but all of his will escaped his summoning. He had given all of himself and received nothing back. The knife that went into his back was from his kitchen. Betrayed because he laid himself bare. He just wanted to yank the entire heart out and live the rest of his life with a hole in his chest. Heartless. But he was certain that for the glorious day ahead, he would need this beating thing in his chest. He would need it to empathize with those he will encourage. To tell the dejected that all pain will pass and tell the betrayed that good will come. To spread the love he freely received, he would need the heart to tell his story. Father had promised that all this will pass and work out for good. So even now, he was certain that even though he felt nothing like it, he was living his life just as Father wrote it.